In this video, I want to show you how to change the CMOS battery in any Chevy Malibu key fob. Now this particular one is a 2012 LT, but again, you might have a newer model or a later model. Just as long as it has a key fob, that's all you really need to have. And I'll also show you what kind of battery to put in your key fob. Now, the first thing you want to do, this particular one has been a little bit damaged. But what you're going to do is it's in two parts, the top and the bottom. And what you're going to do is you're going to pry the top from the bottom, and it's going to expose the battery in the circuit board inside. You want to either get like a little small dime or a credit card, or I have actually a small little flathead like this that you'd use like a precision tool that you'd see like with computer shops. And I want to use this as my prying tool. So you would take either your screwdriver, your credit card, or your dime, and a lot of times they'll have like a little lip. You try to locate that lip, or you can just find a little seam here. And what you're going to do is you're going to gently pry up. Now, the very key thing, and the very thing you don't want to do, is to damage the board. So it's very easy to get something sharp like this to pry it, and then you'll actually ram into the circuit board in there. It'll actually ruin it, where you won't even be able to use the key fob. So you want to be very careful and only try to get it a little ways. And what you want to do is you want to then turn it. So if you have a credit card or a key, you get in just enough to where you can actually turn it, that it'll expose these two different parts. So as you can see there, it exposed my battery, which fits right into here, like that. And what I want you to do is take the battery out. This little CMOS battery, it looks like a little watch battery. And it's actually going to give you a model number on the watch battery. So as you can see here, this is actually a 2032 model, and I've got a brand new one right here that I want to replace it with. It's an Energizer 2032. You can get these on Amazon for like $5. I highly recommend Energizer. It's a very good battery. If you get a dollar store knockoff brand, it won't last you, no time. But an Energizer should last you a few years in your key batteries. If you see the label that's on the top, this is the part that's going to go flush with the board. The opposite side of the label is going to go flush down onto this part. And there's little metal things here that's going to let it clip in. So as you can see there, I can see the Energizer label right there. It fits right in there. And basically what you want to do is loop it and put on the back. And it should just pop right on. And you shouldn't have to program it, but there is a way. For example, if you're not able to program it for your car, a lot of times when you get a new battery with your key fob, you have to reprogram it on to the car. I'll put a link at the very end of this video, a video link that'll show you how to do that if you're having problems with it not actually recognizing it after you put a new battery in. And I'll also put a link to where you can get this battery. Now this is 2032, the model number. The vast majority of key fobs, not only Chevy Malibus, but Nissans, Fords, Toyotas, will use the 2032 for the car battery. But to make double sure, check the battery on the back of your CMOS battery when you take this apart, and make sure and read the model number on the back of it, and then just replace with whatever model number that you have. Alright, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.